Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, I am super excited to share 15 powerful features of the Notewise app that can completely level up your note-taking game. This app is packed with smart AI tools, smooth handwriting support, and some of the latest enhancements, making it one of the best note-taking apps available for both Android and iOS. So let's get started. The first feature is about generating quiz from your notes. So for example, I want to generate a quiz from these notes. So I will select this Notewise AI tool, and then from here I will select this plus icon, and then I will select this quiz option. So Notewise AI will start analyzing my notes, and then it will generate a multiple choice based quiz for me. And then you can start answering the questions. You can also move to the next question, and once you finish, you can select this end quiz option. So here it will also show you a final result. So this will be helpful for you to build a solid understanding of any specific topic. You can also add table to your notes. So for example, I want to add a table to these notes. So I will select this table tool, and then I will start adding this table. You can fully customize this table as well. So if I open this table tool, here you can see I have different customization options. So I can increase or decrease the number of columns. I can also increase or decrease the number of rows, and I can also change the color as well. So this will be really helpful to structure your data and organize your notes. The next feature is about real-time handwriting to text. So for example, I want to convert my handwriting to text. I will select this text tool, and then I will start using my pen. So now whatever I write with my pen, it will start converting it into text in real time. And now you can also customize this text as well. So here you can see you can change the color. If you want, you can also change the text style as well, and you can also change the size as well. You can also open two different notes in split view. So you have to select this arrow, and here we have this option of open in split view, and now on this side you can open another note, and now you can start working on both of these notes together. So this will be really helpful for taking references, comparing notes, or multitasking efficiently. You can also share content between these notes. So for example, I want this image in this note. First of all, I will use this selection tool, and then I will make my selection, and then I will copy this image. And now on this note, I will open my library, and then from here I will select this clipboard, and you can see the image is available over here. So I will use my pen. I can easily drag and drop this image, and now if you want, you can also customize this image as well. The next feature is about Zoombox tool. So I will select this Zoombox tool, and then I will start writing over here on this part. So this will give you more accurate writing experience. You can also use it for more smoother drawing as well. You can also sync your notes across all your devices, and you can collaborate in real time as well. So this will be really helpful for working on group projects and study together with classmates. You can also access your notes through web browser. So you can easily access all of your notes through your phone or your PC. You can also scan your documents into searchable editable text. So you have to select this plus icon, and then from here you have to select this scan option. So I already scanned this document, and now for example, I want to search a specific word in this scanned document. So I will select this search icon, and then here I will write my word. So for example, I want to search about disorders, and then I will select this highlighted text. So here you can see both of these words are now highlighted in my scan document. You can also use Notewise AI to convert this scan document into a podcast. So you have to select this Notewise AI tool, and then here we have this option of turn my notes into a podcast. So I will select it. So AI will start analyzing your notes, and then it will start converting it into a podcast. So here you can see the podcast is generated. I will play this podcast.
Welcome to Notewise AI's podcast, where we turn your notes into engaging lessons. Today, we're diving into common conditions and disorders that affect the heart. a critical topic given that heart disease is a leading cause of death in
So this will be really helpful for your learning. The next thing is you can also convert your handwritten scanned documents into editable text. So first of all, you have to make your selection. So I will select it till here. And then here we have this copy option. So I will copy it. And now you can paste it anywhere inside your notes. So for example, I want to paste it over here. I will long press on my screen and then I will select this paste option. And here you can see the whole information is now converted into text. And now if you want, you can also edit it as well. You can also drag content from a website to your notes. So for example, I open this website in split screen and here I have this image and now I want this image inside my notes. So I can easily drag and drop this image to my notes, and later if you want, you can also edit it. The best thing about this app is you can also remove the background. So for example, I want to remove all of these labelings from this image. So I will use selection tool and then here you can see we have this option of background remover. So I will select it, so it will remove the background for this image. You can also duplicate this image and you can also edit it. You can also add different shapes using shape tool. So this will be really helpful for creating diagrams, mind maps or structured layouts. So this will make it easier to organize information visually. You can fully customize these shapes as well. So for example, you can change corner count, you can change the line width, colors and line type as well. The next feature is about magic select tool from Notewise AI. So I will select Notewise AI and then from here I will select this plus icon and here I have this magic select tool. So now I can select any specific part from this note and then it will take a screenshot. So here you can see the screenshot is attached and now you can ask about anything. So for example, I want to ask about a simpler explanation for this image. So I will write my prompt and then I will send this prompt. So AI will start analyzing my prompt and then it will start generating a response for me. And now you can copy this information in your notes. You can also hide and reveal on any content of your notes by using tape tool. So for example, I want to hide this equation. I will use this tape tool. So you can see the equation is hidden. Now for example, I want to reveal this equation. So I will single tap on this tape and then the equation will be revealed. So this will be really helpful for active recalling. So you can use it to test your knowledge by covering the answers and then tapping to reveal them. The pen tool is really amazing with stabilization feature. So you can set the stabilization and this will give you smooth writing experience. You can also use hold to draw any shape and then you can fully edit it. You can also use scribble to erase your handwritten notes as well. You can also use digital planners from Notewise Marketplace and these planners are hyperlinked. So you can jump to any week and then you can also jump to any specific day and then you can start working on your planners. You can also change the page templates as well. So we have a lot of options available. So you have to select these three dots and then from here you have to select change template. So here you can change the page colors. You can also change the density. You can change the line width and then here you can see we have different categories of templates available. So here we have these basic templates. You can also go for these education templates and here we also have this music templates option available. So for example, I will select this grid template and then I will select this apply to current page and here you can see I have a new template on my notes. You can also customize your own templates as well. The next feature is about audio recording. For example, you have a lecture going on and you want to do the audio recording of that lecture. So you can use this mic tool and then from here you can select new audio recording. So it will start recording the audio and in the meantime you can also take your notes. Once you finish with your recording, you can select this stop option and your recording will save in your notes. So you can just select this mic and then you can play your recording from here. The next thing is you can also export your recording as well. You can rearrange pages inside your notes. You can also bookmark these pages. You can also import PDF. You can import images and you can also import other files with different formats. You can also categorize your notes according to folders and subfolders. So how to create these folders? You have to select this plus icon, and here we have this create folder option. You can give it any name, and then you have to select this create option. So a new folder has been created. You can also change the color for this folder as well. So guys, all your notes sync across iOS and Android through Notewise Cloud. You can use this app for free with 10 notes, but for access to advanced tools and more space, here we have different plan options. So we have Notewise Cloud Basic, then we have Notewise Cloud Starter, and we also have Notewise Cloud Pro. You can also go for Notewise Unlimited, but in Unlimited option, notes are accessible only in device where they are created. So this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.